Welcome to Billionize, where we provide you with tips and advice on how to grow your wealth and achieve financial success. Today, we're going to be talking about stocks, one of the most popular and widely used investment options available. Whether you're new to investing or just looking to expand your portfolio, this video will provide you with the knowledge and information you need to get started. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn something new. Trust me, you won't want to miss a single thing we're about to cover. So, what exactly are stocks? Simply put, stocks represent a share in the ownership of a company. When you buy a stock, you're buying a small piece of that company. And as the company grows and becomes more profitable, the value of your stock increases. There are two main types of stocks: common stocks and preferred stocks. Common stocks are what most people think of when they hear the word stock. They give the owner the right to vote on company matters and the potential to earn dividends. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, don't give the owner voting rights but often have a higher dividend payout. Now that you know what stocks are, let's talk about how you can invest in them. The most common way to invest in stocks is through the stock market. The stock market is a place where stocks are bought and sold. The two main stock markets in the United States are the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, and the Nasdaq. You can buy and sell stocks through a stockbroker or online brokerage. But investing in stocks isn't just limited to buying individual stocks. There are other ways to invest in the stock market as well. For example, you can invest in mutual funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Mutual funds are a collection of stocks that are managed by a professional fund manager. ETFs are similar to mutual funds, but they are traded like individual stocks. Another option is to invest in a stock index fund, which tracks a specific index, such as the S&P 500. So, why should you invest in stocks? For one, stocks have the potential to provide higher returns than other types of investments. Over the long term, the stock market has historically provided an average annual return of around 10%. Additionally, investing in stocks can also help diversify your portfolio and lower your overall risk. But it's important to keep in mind that investing in stocks does come with some risk. The value of your investment can go up or down depending on the performance of the company and the overall market conditions. So, how can you lower your risk when investing in stocks? One way is to diversify your portfolio by investing in different types of stocks and other assets. Another way is to invest for the long term, rather than trying to time the market. And lastly, conducting thorough research and due diligence on the companies you're considering investing in can also help lower your risk. And speaking of long-term investing, it's worth mentioning that investing in stocks for the long term can be a great way to increase your net worth. The value of stocks can fluctuate in the short term, but over the long term, the stock market has consistently provided positive returns. By investing in stocks for the long term, you're giving yourself the opportunity to ride out the ups and downs of the market, and potentially see significant growth in the value of your investment. Now that you understand the basics of stocks and how to invest in them, let's talk about how to choose the best stocks for you. Here are 5 beginner tips to help guide you in your stock selection process. Understand your investment goals and risk tolerance. Before you start investing, it's important to have a clear understanding of your financial goals and how much risk you're comfortable taking on. This will help you determine the types of stocks and sectors that are right for you. Research the company and the industry. Before investing in a stock, take the time to research the company and the industry it operates in. Look at the company's financial statements, management team, and any recent news or developments. It's also important to understand the industry trends and how the company is positioned in relation to its competitors. Look for companies with strong financials. Strong financials are a good indication that a company is well managed and has the potential for growth. Look for companies with a solid balance sheet, consistent earnings growth, and a healthy return on equity. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio by investing in different types of stocks and sectors can help lower your overall risk. Consider investing in a mix of large and small companies, as well as different sectors such as technology, healthcare, and financials. Invest for the long term. Investing for the long term can help you ride out the ups and downs of the market and potentially see significant growth in the value of your investment. Now, let's go over the different types of stocks and sectors you should be aware of. Blue chip stocks. These are stocks of well-established companies with a strong track record of performance. Examples include companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and IBM. Growth stocks, these are stocks of companies that are expected to grow at a faster rate than the market. They may not pay dividends but have the potential for higher returns. Examples include companies like Amazon and Tesla. Value stocks, these are stocks of companies that are undervalued by the market and have the potential for growth. They may pay dividends and have a lower risk profile than growth stocks. Examples include companies like Walmart and General Electric. Sectors, stocks can also be grouped by the industry they operate in. Some popular sectors include technology, healthcare, and financials. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach when it comes to investing in stocks. It's important to do your own research and find the stocks and sectors that align with your investment goals and risk tolerance. And always keep in mind that investing in stocks is a long-term game, so be patient and stick to your strategy. And that concludes our overview of stocks and how you can use them to grow your wealth. We hope you found this information helpful, and we encourage you to keep watching our channel for more tips and advice on investing and achieving financial success. Remember, the key to successful investing is education, so don't stop here, keep learning and stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.